What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you guys how I made over $12,000 with this affiliate program so far and over $7,000 in 1 month passively with multiple affiliate programs using this strategy. I'm going to be giving you tons of gems throughout this video, such as this one database over here where you can pretty much go and find unlimited affiliate programs in any single niche in the world, from animal shelters to animation software programs to apparel management softwares to architectural CAD software. Any single program, affiliate program, niche that you can think of, you can go and choose, dedicate yourself to that program and make thousands of dollars from that particular program. I'm also going to go and show you my affiliate program that I've been using with this strategy, and a trick where I go and use the jab, jab, jab hook strategy where I give away free value, give away, and in return I get signups and sales and affiliate commissions using that jab, jab, jab hook strategy. I'm also going to show you guys some secret sauce that I've been using on TikTok to review all of the features of my affiliate program in simple 30-second clips to get anywhere between 4,000, 13,000, 29,000 views, 4,000, 11,000 views. I've had one or two videos blow up to about 1 million views over here, and all these videos do is it applies to my affiliate program, and I've been able to get tons of signups just through TikTok and tons of views of my full tutorials on YouTube to earn well over $12,000 with this affiliate program. And not only I've earned $12,000 from this, I'm earning an average anywhere between an extra $1,700, $418, $357 and hundreds of dollars every single week passively from this affiliate program, because it's a subscription-based affiliate program that pays every single month. I'll refresh this over here to show you that this is my live dashboard and not some kind of screenshot or anything like that. And as you can see over here, this is my live dashboard. The first thing I want you to do is, when it comes to any kind of affiliate marketing tutorial or any kind of affiliate marketing course that you come across, I want you to choose one product. Make sure it's a subscription-based affiliate program so you can earn that passive income, and only stick to that and focus on that. If you're going to go and promote multiple affiliate products in multiple different niches, you're going to confuse up your audience and your conversion rate is going to be poor. But if you capitalize and choose one specific product in a specific niche, you can easily build a brand, a reliable audience around that product to get a much higher conversion rates and ultimately more affiliate commissions. A good place for you to go and start and choose from is a website called capterra.com or .co.za. If you go and click on all of our categories over here, you can go and find tons of different categories of different products that you can go and promote. For example, if I go and choose carrier, all you want to go and do is copy any one of these carrier names. For example, D-Track. Go and paste this in Google and just go and search affiliate program or partner program, and over here you will see the D-Track affiliate program is over here, and you will be able to go and sign up for the affiliate program, and every time you refer someone to this affiliate program, they will reward you some kind of commission. Now, the exact affiliate program that I've been using with this strategy is called Kartra.com, and what I really like about it, it applies to anything. So Kartra.com is an entire business builder in a box where you can build your own checkouts, landing pages with a simple drag and drop editor. You can collect your own leads through email marketing. You can build your own entire funnels and campaigns and share that with other users. Email automation, host your own membership areas if you want to sell courses. You can create your own surveys and quizzes, host your own Kartra video platforms, host your own help desks, forms, calendars. You can create your own affiliate programs, sell your own campaigns and funnels in the Kartra marketplace, and create entire agencies for your clients. If I come over to plans and pricing over here, they charge for 4 different packages. In a nutshell, you will get 40% of the monthly commission. or the monthly subscription that your lead is paying for this product. For example, if you refer someone to the $299 package, you will earn 40% of that every single month, which is basically $119 every single month into your pocket for just referring them. So you can make money off referrals that you have referred years ago and still earn to this day. And that is what is super powerful when it comes to subscription-based affiliate programs and why I recommend you should promote them. Now, one thing I have also done with this affiliate program is I've created an entire back-end membership area, which I'm going to give away to you in today's video, where I give away over $5,267 worth of high-quality bonuses to anyone that signs up to Kartra through my affiliate link. Included with Kartra, when my leads sign up with me, they get an entire done-for-you $1 cash machine funnel valued at $497 completely for free, an entire done-for-you drop servicing agency valued at $597, which they get completely for free, an affiliate advertorial funnel valued at $397, also completely for free, a high ticket product funnel valued at $497 completely for free, the affiliate Kartra funnel, which is this funnel over here, valued at $297 completely for free, video training, an affiliate bridge funnel, high converting emails, a drop servicing masterclass, a TikTok business marketing premium, and a jab hook high ticket funnel. All of this they will get completely for free when they just sign up to the Kartra trial. They don't even need to pay for any package. If they ever decide to cancel their package, they can still keep these bonuses. So I'm giving it away completely for free. And at the end of the day, people really appreciate this. And when someone signs up with Kartra, they would rather much grab all of these bonuses than sign up for Kartra on their website and get nothing at all. So this bonus page over here, if you want to go and get this included with your Kartra affiliate program, I will leave a link down below and you'll be able to import this to your Kartra account and use this strategy to promote this funnel and give away these bonuses to your leads to go and get tons of conversions to your Kartra account. That's going to lead us to step number 2 is I'm going to teach you how I use my TikTok strategy to get tons of conversions with this. So over here you will see on your Kartra dashboard when you sign up, you can use the free trial and get access to all their premium features over here. They've got my products, communications, how to create your own membership areas, calendars, how to create your own entire campaigns and import your done-for-you campaigns, such as a drop servicing agency, a $1 cash machine, all your different campaigns over here. You can also come over to available campaigns. And all I would go and do is create 30-second tutorials of this on TikTok. For example, take a look at this. This was a video I made on a 10K Kartra side hustle. And all I would do is at the end of each and every video is just refer people to my YouTube channel with the full tutorials, where I would then leave my link to my bonuses page in the description of my videos. Over here you will see is the link to my bonus page. So when people go and click on that, they land on my bonus page, and when they click on this button over here, which takes them through my affiliate link to the landing page of Kartra.com, where they can go and sign up, and they will then receive an email from me with their login to their bonuses page. What you can also do is, if you don't want to create your own content, you can come over to TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Facebook Reels, go and search, for example, web development tips on TikTok. You can go and use any of these viral videos over here. I don't recommend repost them on TikTok, but you can come over to a platform like Facebook Reels, which I've also been experimenting with. Here is my Facebook Reels page where I experiment with Facebook Reels, and some of my Facebook Reels have gotten hundreds of thousands of views in their first week of just being posted. Now, what you can go and do is, instead of reposting TikToks on TikToks, I recommend, if you want to go and use the strategy where you don't produce your own content, go and repost these TikToks and download them without the watermark, post them on Facebook Reels and just credit the original creator, and leave the link to your bonus page in the bio of your Facebook profile, and just leave a comment or in your caption of each and every video, link to Kartra with a free trial and over $5,000 worth of bonuses in my bio. And that will refer a lot of viewers from your Facebook Reels to your affiliate link and your bonus page with Kartra. The reason why we don't want to repost repost TikToks on TikTok is because the TikTok algorithm will pick up that this is a repost and will not push your video out to a new audience at all. So this is only recommended if you don't want to produce your own content and you want to outsource through other people's content, which is perfectly fine as long as you give them credit. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more with a strategy like this and to get tons of different traffic ideas for your new affiliate program that you're now ready to go and promote. I'm going to leave my entire affiliate marketing playlist over here on the screen, where I've got hundreds of different videos that I've created over the past few years on YouTube that I've now compiled into one easy playlist for you guys to go and watch. A lot of this information I've learned from hundreds of dollars of different courses that I've now put in my own unique ways on YouTube completely for free. So what I recommend is go and click on this playlist over here, go and apply that with this strategy, and I'll see you over there.